Hi Filmora creators, welcome to Tube Media Tutorials. Wondershare Filmora 14 is here and it's packed with numerous new features for every type of creators. Try the software and win big rewards. There is an activity going on which will reward you to try the Filmora 14 to solve your editing troubles. It starts from October 18th, and the last date to participate is November 18th. Invite your friends to boost the Filmora 14 popularity and get big rewards, as well as grab a chance to win DJI Action 5 Pro. The step 1 is send your invitation link to your friend who didn't register a Filmora account before, and the step 2 is your friend opens the invitation link and complete registration to boost successfully. So, click copy to get the invitation link and share via social media, like Facebook, X, Instagram, and direct email. The more you invite friends, the bigger is the reward. Invite one friend and get 7 days free VIP license to use Filmora 14. Invite 2 friends to boost and get 300 AI credits to use the AI features in the editor. Finally, invite 3 friends to participate in the action camera giveaway. So, it's very easy and don't miss the chance to win the giveaway. The part 2 of the campaign is crush the edit struggles and get 7 days free trial of Wondershare Filmora 14 right away. Read the struggles or scenarios here, and the Filmora 14 features are listed here on the left. Drag Filmora 14 features to match everyday creators' struggles. I want to add BGM to my video, but I've been searching forever and still can't find the right one. For this purpose, Filmora 14 has a smart background music generator. So, we will drag it here. I didn't use a professional camera, just my phone, and the footage turned out blurry and lacks quality. So, AI Video Enhancer will solve this problem. Next, editing multi-camera footage is overwhelming. The amount of work is unimaginable. There is a new feature in Filmora 14, multi-camera editing, which we will drag here. I filmed a street interview, but the interviewee asked not to show their face later on, and editing it is such a hassle. Another AI feature, AI Face Mosaic, can be useful for this kind of struggles. As a marketing practitioner, it is often necessary to shorten long videos and share them on social media for distribution. Is there a quick editing solution? Smart Short Clips can do it in a few seconds for you. Lastly, I want the same color grading as that movie. But I can't find the right filter, and I don't know how to adjust it myself. AI Color Palette can do it for you with a few clicks. Once done, click the Submit button and you get the reward. Explore the Filmora 14 new features and experience the new editor with so many AI features, which can make your editing struggles very easy on you. The complete set of rules are listed here. I have already discussed them in the video. So, download and try Filmora 14 today, and get rewarded for your efforts. Happy creating!